had to drag her out of that closet. She was scared to death, shaking, because she was so worried about what you would say or what you would do to her. How often are you hitting her?
I would never do that. All right, we're just going through a rough time right now. And I don't like it, but she has to learn to be responsible.
Do you see how ridiculous you sound? She's 6 years old. She's 6. How can she be responsible at 6?
My baby shut me down. Bang, bang. My baby shut me down, shut me down, shut me down. My baby shut me down, shut me down, shut me down. My baby shut me down. Bang, bang. My baby shut me down. Bang, bang. My baby shut me down.
I grew up a fucking screw up. Got introduced to the game, got an ounce and fucking blew up. Chopping rocks overnight. The nigga Biggie Smalls trying to turn into the Black Frank White. We had to go dreads to change our description. 2 cops is on the milk box missing. Showed they toes, you know they got stepped on. A fist full of bullets, a chest full of Teflon. Run from the police, picture that. Nigga, I'm too fat. I fuck around and catch an asthma attack. That's why I bust back, it don't faze me. When he drop, take his clock and I'm Swayze. Celebrate my escape, solar clock, bust some weight. Lay back, I got some money to pay.
Bang, bang. My baby shut me down. Bang, bang. My baby shut me down, shut me down, shut me down. My baby shut me down, shut me down, shut me down.
Let me tell you the story of right hand, left hand. It's a tale of good and evil. Hey, it was with this hand that Cain iced his brother. Love. These 5 fingers, they go straight to the soul of man. The right hand, the hand of love. The story of life is this.
I come from death, murder, corruption, crime, homicide, suicide, gunshots, prison time. Listen, I'm KRS. I can open up your mind or cave your chest. So yes, when the rappers kill, don't blame it on rapping. Hip-hop is like any other culture, shit happens. As a community, this is how they look at you and me. I think it's time to work on our unity. Let's come together like the nation we is. Can't you see in 20 years, you'll be facing your kids? When I walk this walk and talk that talk and spit that speech, people say all you do is preach. Like you don't need old school preaching. Instead of flying on the weekends, man, we dying on the weekends. Blind when we speaking, mothers crying and weeping, husbands cheating, wives deceiving, children overeating. Critics can say what they say, I'ma stay my way. I do this for Scott LaRock, Big Pun, and JMJ. So if you ever need evidence as to why I spit true, take a look at Detroit, they just gave you proof.
Bang, bang. My baby